Grad, before we begin, answer me this. Are humans part of Earth's network or merely on it?
Well, if we're part of the network, someone definitely clicked unsubscribe. And if we're on it, we're probably the pop-up ad nobody asked for.
The new environmental paradigm sees humans as one thread in a vast ecological weave.
Exactly. NEP is the original group project, and unlike humans, bees actually do their part. If they disappear, the world collapses. If we disappear, the world throws a party and finally gets 8 hours of sleep. We're not the main character. We're the background noise with a superiority complex.
Then comes HEP, the human exception paradigm. Humans as separate, superior.
Yes, the I'm special because I said so paradigm. Classic Tuwaqachi behavior. They show up, break everything, and then ask to speak to the planetary manager. HEP is basically the environmental version of, I don't need instructions, I know what I'm doing. Spoiler, they do not know what they're doing.
Your paper critiques religion not for belief, but for how it's used.
Right. Religion, when weaponized, becomes the original fear-based subscription service. Obey or burn, and not in a fun, marshmallow roasting way.
And it often fuels consumption and empire.
Exactly. Some institutions preach humility, while building monuments big enough to have their own weather systems.
Mead says meaning is created through interaction.
Which is great, until interaction becomes a competition. Then you get the religion of me, where people worship at the altar of look what I bought.
Identity becomes a product.
And half the products are things nobody needs. I mean, who decided we needed gold-plated toothbrushes? Your teeth don't care, they're just trying to survive the soda.
So, Grad, are humans truly part of the network?
We could be. But right now, we're like that one cousin at family gatherings. We show up, eat everything, break a chair, and then say, wow, this place is a mess.
Then what's the path forward?
Simple. Stop acting like the universe's VIP guest and start acting like we actually live here.
Tuwaqachi shows us what NEP looks like. The Tuwaqachi show us what HEP becomes. And humanity stands between them, choosing which story to write.
The environment doesn't need us, but we need it. And if we don't figure that out soon, well, let's just say the bees will inherit the earth.